Ever wondered how to repair and patch pastry imperfections? It's a common issue that bakers of all levels face. Pastry, with its delicate nature, can often develop cracks, holes, or unevenness during the baking process. These imperfections can be a real nuisance, especially when you're striving for that flawless finish. They can take away from the overall appeal of your sweet or savory masterpiece, leaving you frustrated and in need of solutions. But don't worry, fixing these imperfections isn't as hard as you might think. Before we get started, you'll need to gather a few simple tools. First, a small spatula to smooth out those imperfections. Then, extra pastry dough to fill any gaps. And finally, a small bowl of water to bind it all together. With these tools at hand, you're ready to fix any pastry imperfection. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of patching up your pastry. First off, you'll want to lightly moisten the area of imperfection with a brush dipped in water. Don't go overboard. A little moisture is all it takes to make the dough pliable and ready to accept its patch. Next, grab a small piece of your extra dough and gently press it onto the dampened area. It's like a bandage for your pastry, sealing up any holes or tears. Now, pick up your spatula. With a gentle touch, smooth out the patched area, blending the new dough with the old. Last but not least, let your pastry rest. This allows the patch to settle in and become a seamless part of your creation. And there you have it. A perfectly patched pastry, ready for the oven. With these tips, you can turn any imperfect pastry into a masterpiece. Remember, the beauty of baking is in its flexibility. Even the most crumbled crust or torn dough can be revived with a bit of skill and patience. Don't shy away from mistakes, embrace them. They are stepping stones to perfection. Every dollop of cream, every patch of pastry, brings you closer to that flawless bake. So, keep practicing, keep baking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips.